Welcome to the Marty Sats YouTube channel. If you've got a children's clothing store, then keep your eyes peeled because in this video today, I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the Marty Sats platform to build a website for your business. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video today and you aren't quite familiar with the Marty Sites service yet, Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's that simple. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So all you need to do is click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. So once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and search for my market, children's clothing store. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great, let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our children's clothing store so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name, as well as my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to retail. Click on continue. Great. How can our customers get in touch with us? Let's go ahead and pop our phone number in over here as well as our email address. And let's move along. Awesome. Where is our children's clothing store located? I'm going to go ahead and put our physical location in if we have one, as well as our postal code as we previously put in our city and our state or province. Great. Let's get our hours set up. What time do we open on a Monday? I'm going to say we open from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. We also open on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. We closed on a Sunday. Let's do a quick review, make sure everything's in order, but everything looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to move along. If you need to make changes, click on update location or update hours. Awesome, so look at that. Marty Site has literally generated a simple website for my children's clothing store in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course, and we've pre-selected all the images. You can see they're all really high quality images and they're all completely free to use. However, I'm sure you've got some awesome images of your clothing you stock in your children's clothing store, maybe some models wearing the certain clothing that you stock, and you want to upload the images and you want to make one or two changes to that content that was pre-written for you, you can absolutely do that. You don't need to know any coding, you don't need to be a web developer, and you don't need to hire a web professional to help you with this either. So today, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you, how to make those changes. I'm going to be working my way through each section from the top to the bottom and just showing you how simple it is to use the multi-site platform. So shall we get cracking? I'm quickly going to scroll to the top, and the first thing I'm going to do is click on update section. Over here, I want to make sure my email address is displayed on my website on the top right hand corner next to my phone number. That is click to call, by the way. We've already put in our address, our physical location. It's displayed in the top left hand corner. Great thing about it is when your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location if you have one, that is. Let's move on and head to update social links. Now over here we can put in the various social media platforms that our business is active on. Icons will be displayed on the top next to that email address, and your customers can easily click on them and be taken to our social media channels to follow us, get some engagement going, and see what our clothing store is up to. Over here, I'm going to go ahead and update my logo. Now, if you're in the startup process of your business, you don't have a logo yet, that's completely okay. Marty Sites will just generate your, display your business name over here, and it still looks really great and professional. However, I do have a logo for my business, so I'm going to go ahead and quickly upload it. If you don't have a logo and you don't have a huge budget to hire a graphic designer to help you design one, I do recommend you check out canva.com. You'll find a few great options on there that are free to use. Logo has been updated. We can make it bigger and smaller, but I think that sizing is absolutely spot on, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it. Now with multi-site as well, we've pre-selected the colors used throughout the website for you. Basically, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your children's clothing store. To change it, maybe it doesn't quite go with your branding, your signage, your business cards, your logo. You don't need to know color coding to change it. All you need to do is click on the handy little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner and go through the various different color palettes available for you to use. So I'm going to go ahead and let's select, maybe I might go for this one. I quite like those colors and it goes with my branding in my store well. I can change it at a later stage if need be. Over here, I'm going to go ahead and click on update image. Now, if you have your own images of children display wearing your outfits, looking really awesome, go ahead and upload them here. Otherwise, search through the photo library. There are hundreds of images to choose from and they're completely free to use. However, I must say, Mighty Sites will automatically search for children's clothing store, but I do recommend that you just play around with the terms a little bit. Let's try child's clothes and see if anything pops up. Yes, there are a few great options here. So I'm going to go ahead and select that one. That looks pretty good to me. Awesome, that looks great. Now I'm going to head over to update content. Over here, you can change the title, subtitle to suit your needs. Button doesn't have to say view our promotions. Maybe you just wanted to say get in touch. I'm going to go ahead and change it to that and go ahead to choose link. Now over here you can link to another website if you need be. You can link to an action like click to call directions or click to email. So for this I'm going to put it as click to call. But one of my favorite options is actually to upload a PDF file. So perhaps you have a catalog with all the different items you stock. Go ahead and upload a catalog as your PDF file. So when your customers click on that button, it will automatically take them to the PDF file. So that is another great option. Let's move along. We're making such great progress. Over here, again, pre-written content just as a guideline for you, of course. If you want to make any changes to the button, can link to various places, click on update section and work your magic. We've now made our way into the about us section. Over here, we've got also like a really beautiful image, very high quality, visually stunning. You can amend it to one of your own. In the about us section, you can put a little bit more details of how your business came to be, how long you've been in the children's clothing industry, what made you get started. Do you have kids or do you have a love for children? That's why you wanted to start this business. Do you stock items for all ages? Like what are the age groups? Is it from toddlers, infants to 10, 11? Go ahead and put all the details over here so your customers know your story and how your business came to be. Over here, we made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of the different services your children's clothing store offers. Do you stock baby clothes, girls' clothes, boys' clothes? Do you also stock a range of books and gifts? Do you even have a pre-loved clothes corner, gift cards, hats and accessories, toys? Pop all those details over here so your customers know what they can come to your store for and what products they can find. If you need to make any last changes to that address, to those hours, trading hours, all you need to do is click on update section and make those necessary changes. So look at that. We've literally gone through our website for our children's clothing store, launched it, made some changes on the Mighty Sites platform in not even 10 minutes. It was such a breeze. I'm not super tech savvy, and I didn't even need to hire a professional to help me with this. It really was super simple. It's only going to cost me $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. The great thing about the Mighty Sites free trial is you don't have to put your credit card details in like most other online services these days. So I know with me trying different things online, they always want me to put my credit card details in just to try the service. Not with Mighty Sites, you don't need to do that. Completely free to use, 7 days. Don't have to put your credit card details in. It's that awesome. If you have a custom domain, you can connect it. So I'm not sure if you can see this button. Hopefully you can. Click on connect your domain and say I already have a domain and go through the various steps in linking it. Now, if you're struggling, there is a blog post over on our website, www.mightysites.com. Let's go to the top and click on blog. You'll find a step-by-step guide there on linking your custom domain. You'll also find some great tips and advice for marketing your small business online. Lots of valuable articles, blog posts over here, how to promote your business for free on social media in your community. Do check it out. You'll find some great tips. Now, if you don't have a domain yet, you can purchase it from the Mighty Sites platform. We've recently introduced the feature. All you need to do is click on I want a new domain and purchase your custom domain on our platform. I hope this tutorial was helpful on building a website for your children's store. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on our platform, all you need to do is comment below and let us know. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so more people can hear about the Mighty Sites platform.